Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the best pickle jar mockup design. So please watch this video till the end, and after knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Rustic home canning product style. Set includes 3 PSD files, 3000 x 2500 resolution, 300 dpi, 10 x 8.3 inch high quality print. Device composition customization is as easy as moving and scaling individual devices as layers. Smart Objects used allows you to replace elements design glass jar contents for your responsive designs in a few seconds. Everything is in full retina resolution. PSD files layers are cleaned up, named properly, and color-coded for easy identification of layers designated to be edited by the user. Quick instruction: open the PSD file, double-click on layer sticky label added, marking layer red, paste your design image, save the layer, Smart Object, and repeat the action for the layer content edit cover edit, marking layer red, if you want to replace the texture. You can change the intensity of the light, shadow, or light over. Just change the transparency to appropriate layers. You can put the objects on any background to use them in their presentations and design. Change the size, mirror, dream, add others, and add your text to create colorful and fun work.